Hi and welcome to our another video, and in this video you will learn how to make profits in a bear market. A bear market is a time when the stock market is on a downward trend and many investors may be feeling anxious about their investments. But it is important to remember that there are still opportunities to make profits during a bear market. One strategy for making profits in a bear market is to look for an undervalued stock. When the market is going down, many stocks may be priced lower than their true value, providing an opportunity to buy them at a discount. As this market improves, these undervalued stocks may see a price increase, allowing you to sell them for a profit. Another strategy is to focus on defensive stocks. These are the stocks of the companies that are considered to be less affected by market downturns, such as those in the utilities or consumer staple sectors. These stocks may provide a stable source of income through dividends and may have less volatility in the stock prices. One more strategy is short selling, which allows you to profit from a decrease in stock's price. Short selling is when an investor borrows shares from a broker and sells them in the market with the expectations that the prices will drop. The investor then buys the shares back at a low price to return them to the broker and makes a profit from the difference. Finally, it's important to use risk management techniques such as setting stop loss orders. This is an order that automatically sells a stock when it reaches a certain price, limiting the potential loss. This can help you minimize potential losses during a bear market and protect your profits. Remember that there are always opportunities to make money in the stock market, but it is also very important to have a well thought out strategy and be aware of the risks involved. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you have liked it.